Okay, hey everybody, what's up? It's me, your homegirl, Adosha. We are back and here. If you want to see the finished results on her hair, sorry for this bootleg camera work is out of control. There she is, all nice and smooth out. So I flat on her with the H2 Pro, but this is the Rev Air reverse air blow dryer where it's sucking the air. The hair is pulling the hair away instead of blowing it dry. And as you can see, she does have nice movement on her hair. She does have volume on it. There she is. This is real human hair. She has type 1, 2. She would be a 2 according to the Rev Air chart, which was this one here was my chart. So she would be like a number 2, okay? And so that's her real hair. We got great results. She's happy. Say cheese. Say Rev Air.
Rev Air.
All right, there it is. Rev Air hair. Officially approved and selected, or how they say, stylist tested, cosmetologist approved. So we like the Rev Air blow dryer. It does create volume, and this is on type 2 hair, and we don't care what race you are. We like it. So make sure you go to their website and buy you one. The Rev Air is reversing the air. So it's not blowing it, it's actually going to suck the hair into the tube. It's gonna lay your cuticle nice and smooth. It gets the baby hair, it creates volume. It is absolutely wonderful. I did use their styling product. What's the hairstyles if you don't make mess? All right, so this is the wave goodbye. So goodbye. Go get you a Rev Air right now. Bye.